Hi, thanks for watching. My name is Zach Dinerstein. I was contracted by Glamour to build the front end of quizzes that will launch on their website sometime in late 2014. So Glamour contracted me to build quizzes that looked and acted a lot like BuzzFeed's quizzes. They wanted them to look and feel as close to BuzzFeed's quizzes as possible. So as you can see, this is the functionality of the BuzzFeed quiz. You select a number of answers, then go down to the bottom, say, show me my results, and then you'll get a different result based on how many different statements you agreed with. So in our quiz, we designed this to have the Glamour Magazine voice and be about something that Glamour Magazine readers would care about. So we made the How Obsessed Are You with Kate Middleton quiz, and we tried to get the voice as kind of glamourish as possible. So in this quiz, which is very similar to the BuzzFeed quiz, you select all of the things you've done while being obsessed with Kate Middleton. So you can click on, you can make a selection, you can redact a selection, you can click on multiple selections, and then based on how many you click, you'll get a different result. So if we select one and then click Show Results, you are barely a Kate Middleton fan. You selected one of 6 possibilities. So that's the functionality. If we restart this and then drop down to a tablet mode, you can see that the site is responsive, looks good on a tablet. And if we continue to shrink it, it also looks pretty good on a mobile as well. Now if we click on 3 different answers, I'll display some of the logic to you, and we click Show Results, we're going to get a different response. You selected 3 out of 6 possibilities, and you know a decent amount about Kate Middleton. If I restart this, and now we select every single possible answer, and say Show Results, you selected 6 out of 6 possibilities, you are actually Kate Middleton. Right, so you get a different image and response for the amount of selections that you actually make. So that was the first quiz we built. This is the second quiz. This is a correct answer quiz. This type of quiz has 1 correct answer per question. So this is the How Much Do You Love the 90s quiz. And as you can see, every quiz has a few different elements, main image, the author byline, a title, right, a subtitle, and then the questions themselves. So for this question, name each member of Destiny's Child, there's only 1 possible correct answer, right? So if we click here, we get the correct answer response. So you get a pink lipstick mark, you get, it says yes, it tells you a little bit more about Destiny's Child. And you also get the question that you selected, or the answer that you selected, appearing in neon green to tell you that you made the right selection. If we go on down and we pick the wrong answer to a question, so which nostril did Tupac have pierced? If we say the right nostril, that is incorrect. You get a red X, and you get the answer you selected appearing in red, and the correct answer appears in green to tell you which one was actually correct. So now if we go on through and we actually answer every single question in the quiz, then we get a response, right? You got 1 out of 4 correct answers. You're a lightweight, and you get the grandma image. So now if we shrink this down a little bit, we can see that this also looks good as in tablet mode. And we'll shrink it down to mobile. And again, looks solid in mobile. Now I'll show you the last type of quiz, which is the which one are you style quiz, which is arguably the most popular type of quiz on BuzzFeed, and hopefully will be the most popular type of quiz on Glamour as well. So this quiz is what 90s rock star are you? For this kind of quiz, every single answer that we have, we designated as having an image. So if a quiz maker uploads an image, the image will be there, like here. If there's no image, it'll just fill it in with a pink box. So let's see, we're going to say that we have blonde hair. What kind of guitar do you play? We're going to say we play a Fender Mustang. And then once the quiz is done, it tells you what kind of 90s rock star you are. So we are Kurt Cobain, right? So let's try this one more time. We're going to shrink this down to mobile. So now you can see that the boxes readjust their sizes based on how large the window is. These boxes also readjust, and as we would make the window larger, they always fit to fit the length, or excuse me, the width of the screen. Now if we select the quiz one more time, and we're going to say that we have dyed hair, and we play a Fender Gibson Firebird. So we are Courtney Love, and that is our 90s rock star. So based on the selections that you give to each question, it'll give you a different rock star. So basically how the logic works here is the left category adds a point to the Kurt Cobain response. So if you select blonde and Fender Mustang, Kurt Cobain has 2 points, so Kurt Cobain will show, right? If you select dyed and Gibson Firebird, Courtney Love will get 2 points, and Courtney Love will show. If you select black and Fender Venus, then PJ Harvey will get 2 points, and her response will show. If there's a tie, then the logic actually picks randomly selects from those rock stars to show you which rock star you are. And yeah, that is the Glamour quizzes that we built. And again, I built the front end and the JavaScript logic for these quizzes. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.